Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Okay, so today in this English online class, we are going to revise, okay, one topic from writing section, that is formal letter. Okay, so you already know that why do we write letters? Yes, we write letters to share our feelings and thoughts. Okay, and you know what? There are two types of letters. First is formal letter and the second is informal letter. Okay, so informal letters are the letters which are written to our family members, friends and relatives. Okay, and on the other side, formal letters, these letters are the letters which are written for official purposes. Okay, so you know what, sometimes we do write letter of application to our principal and class teacher requesting them to grant leave or some specific reasons. Okay, so these types of letter also called formal letters. Okay, so today we'll learn to know how to develop, okay, uh, application to principal for arranging online yoga class. So this is also called request letter. Okay, so here so I'm quite sure that you all know how to write formal letter, how to write application. Okay, so first of all, let me check. I'm going to give turn to, okay, yes, Shivain, I have unmuted you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Shivain. How are you?
Am I fine?
Okay, मेरा बच्चे, सबसे पहले first you have to tell me what is the first step, okay, to write formal letter.
Then format.
Yes,
To write
format.
format.
Okay, what is the first step? You need to describe first step.
House number.
No,
House number.
okay. So when we are writing an application to principal, okay, or the class teacher, what do we write?
Principal.
Okay, yes, very good. So we write the address of receivers, and what does it include? So it includes the designation, name of the institution, and followed by the name of city. So let's see how I'm going to write it. Okay, so look at the board. First, you need to know first thing. Okay, in the very beginning, you have to understand that letter to be started from the left hand side. This side we are going to start, and there you will see a margin line in your English fair notebook. So you will have to start, you have to begin a writing letter from there. Okay, I hope it is clear. So here we are going to write an application to the principal. So what will be the designation? Yes, the principal. Okay, so we'll start like this. So the principal. Okay, so first thing you need to keep in mind that P is letter. Principal of P of principal, it is to be written in capital. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so next we write the address of name of the institution. So you already know that you where you study. Yes, so Swami Sant Das Public School. This is how you have to write, okay, the name of your institution. Now what comes after? Yes, name of city. And in which city do you live? Yes, Jalandhar city. So look at the board. Here I'm going to write. This is how you have to complete your first step. So first step is to write receiver's address, and that includes, if you are writing an application, then it means you are writing with it to your principal or your class teacher. So you will have to write designation. After that, name of the school, and after that you have to write the name of city. Now next step. So I would love to know, okay, I check who knows the second step. So I'm going to give turn to Kinjal. Kinjal, can you tell what is the next step? So I have unmuted you. Sorry, Kinjal, wait. Yes,
Yes,
बच्चे.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Kinjal.
we will write respect.
What
ma'am, we will write
what
date.
do we write? What do we write immediately after the receiver's address? What do we do? First, we need to leave one line. We need to leave one line. So
One
here
line.
cross means you are supposed to leave one line. Okay. Now what will you write here after that?
Ma'am, we will write subject and date.
No, beta. First, you need to write date. What do you need? So you need to write
Ma'am,
date.
date.
Okay. Now please. Okay. So the first thing after that, below the receiver's address, you need to leave one line. Please listen to me very carefully. What I said. I said you need to leave one line. I have put cross over here that indicates that you need to leave one line. Is it clear? Now you have to write date. And you know, we always write current date and full date. So what's the date today? What is the current date? That is 6 Feb. Okay, so you will write date like this. Please look at the board. 6 February 2021. This is how you are supposed to write a date. You are not supposed to write date like this. Okay, it will get incorrect. Okay, is it clear? You are not going to write date like this. Always write full date and current date, and please leave one line before and after writing date. Clear or not clear? So sometimes, you know what, when I just check the PDF of this kind of letter, so this is a common mistake which I find. So what you do, you don't leave space. I always write, please leave space. Okay, so you always keep in mind. Okay, so next part is, so who would tell me what is the next step? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to, wait. So yes, okay, Divya. Divya, I have unmuted you, bache. Divya, I have unmuted you.
Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, dear. Could you please suggest, after leaving one line, immediately after the date and below this, what do we write?
Ma'am, subject.
Okay, we write subject, and what do we write in subject? Okay, so here, please tell, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We write the purpose of writing. Why you're writing? You have to mention that. Okay, so what will be the subject according to you? Please hurry up. Hurry up.
Principal for arranging online yoga classes.
Okay, you are not supposed to write this word principal. You simply have to write like application for arranging online yoga classes, or you can write request for arranging yoga classes. Is it clear or not clear? Okay, you are not
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
write like this, the principal for, no. Okay, so this is a request letter. So you can write like this, request for arranging yoga classes. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, those who are listening, please. Okay, so please now look at the board. So after leaving below the date, you have to leave one line. Okay, and you have to write subject like this. Okay, so what is the subject that shows the purpose of your writing, and you need to describe what is this, arranging yoga classes. So request. So it is a request letter. So request for arranging yoga classes. Okay, request for arranging online yoga classes. Okay, online yoga classes. I hope these steps, receiver's address, date and subject is very much clear to you. Now let's come to the next part. So after this, please tell me what is the next step. So I'm going to give turn to Kanishka. Kanishka, very good. This is the first time you are giving answer to me and I'm feeling good. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yes, Kanishka. Kanishka, please, I have one. Yes.
Good afternoon.
Very good morning, dear. Please tell me what is the next step?
I Kanishka of 5th C.
No, but Che, please tell me what is the next step? After subject, what do we write? When do we write formal letter or the application, please?
Respected madam.
Okay, do you know what it is called? So this part is called salutation. And you know what? What is the meaning of salutation? So salutation is actually a polite way of requesting someone. So you are writing an application to your principal. So you will write like this, respected madam, or the short form respected ma'am. So this is how you can write this part. Okay. So here I'm going to write it, please. Respected ma'am. Okay, so this is how you have to write this part. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now come to the next and the most important part. And you know what's that? That is the body of the letter. That means the content. And what is the meaning of content? That means the message you want to convey. Okay, now what is your message actually? What is the main point? Main point is that you want to request to your principal for arranging online yoga classes. So this is the main point. But before that, what you need to write? You need to introduce yourself in the very beginning of the, when you are going to write the content in the very beginning. Always, whenever you are going to start the formal letter, whenever you are going to start body of the letter, okay, so what is the first thing in that case? So you have to introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. So how will you introduce? Now it's up to you. If you are a student, you are actually a student and of a particular class, of a particular school, so you need to mention. Okay, I'm going to give turn to you. Okay, so you please develop this line. Hurry up. So I'm going to give turn to Pavneet. So Pavneet, I have unmuted you, bache. Yes, Pavneet.
I am a student.
Yes, bache. Yes, how will you develop this line?
Ma'am, we will write like this. I am a student of class 5B.
Of your school. Very good. Big clap for you. Here I have something for you. Wait. Very good. This one is for you. Very good. Okay. So how will you introduce? So you will write like this. I am a student of class 5th C or D. Okay. Of your school. This is how you will introduce yourself. Okay. So this is the first step whenever you are writing body of the letter or in case of writing formal letter. Clear or not clear? I hope it is clear. Okay, now what is the next step? So always whenever you are writing the body of the letter, the second step is you always have to mention the reason. You have to show why you are writing this letter. So there must be a reason. When there is a specific reason when we write a letter application to someone. Okay, so what is the next step? So next step is that you have to tell the reason. So I am going to give you turn. Okay, so well, in that case, what you will see, you will write. So here you can you just read out the heading first. So what is the heading? Write an application to the principal for arranging online yoga classes. So this is actually your purpose. Okay, so you actually want your principal to arrange online classes for you. So this is the main thing, okay, which you want to convey. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to mention it. Okay, how will you convince? So you are trying now, you want her to arrange these classes, but first you need to tell what is the importance of it. Okay, What is the importance of yoga? I hope everybody knows. Okay, so let's check how you will start. So I'm going to give turn to, okay, that is Pavni Dhir. Okay, Pavni. Yes. Pavni, I've unmuted you. Pavni, do you hear me?
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, very good morning, my dear child. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, so could you please explain how will you write this step? Hurry up, how will you develop?
Ma'am, ma'am, we will write yoga is important both for mental and physical health. It helps us refresh mind and keep and increases our immunity.
Wow, wow. Yes, yes, you can add some more lines.
And we
Yes.
I'm sorry,
It
I'm not
brings
getting
positive
exact.
change. It brings positive change. Yes, you can also add this line. Yes, it makes our muscles strong. Or what else you can write? When we meditate, our mind becomes stress free. So you can write any line. Okay. So what you have to do, you first need to tell the importance. After that, you will be able to convince your principal that she should arrange these guys. So you actually you are what you're doing, you are convincing. So please, by telling the importance, so we need this and why do we need it. So okay, I hope it is clear to you. Very good, Pavni. Okay, look, I have something for you. Okay, see, what are you getting from my side? This, and one more thing, this. I hope. Very good. Big clap for you, dear. Okay, so you will write like this. Yoga is a great or a good therapy. Okay, during this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation, it can help us to make our body strong and mentally balanced. Okay, it can help us in many ways. So you can add on more lines. Okay, so I'm going to give turn to other students. How will they? Okay, so Angel, I have unmuted you. Can you suggest some more lines describing the importance of yoga? Yes, bache.
Then we can also write this. I wish to state that I am a student of class 5th C. Here is my request to arranging that you please arrange yoga classes. By this, we can stay fit and healthy. It can also help us in many ways, like
Yes. Hurry up. Hurry up. So first you need to, yes, introduce yourself, obvious, and after that you will have to tell the importance and you can add on more lines like yoga is a good exercise, a good therapy. Okay, it helps us in increasing our immunity. Okay, so yes, anything you can write. Okay, so it's all right. I'm going to give turn to next one. So that is okay, Kritigya. Kritigya, I have unmuted you, dear. Kritagya? Kritagya, I have unmuted you.
good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's being done? You are being muted again and again. Sorry, wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And the lines are it helps us to stay fit. By doing yoga, we will stay healthy.
Mm-hmm. It can make us ready for the hard work. Okay, so we can our mind become fresh. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, I have something for you. Look. Very good. Good. So keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, mera bacha. Very good. You all are taking initiative. I'm feeling so good. Okay. So it means what you have to tell. Here you mention the reason in which what you will say, you will convince. Okay. how you will convince? By giving the important points, okay, by telling us the importance, by telling the importance of yoga, okay. Mention the reason. Here you always have to give the reason why you are telling, why you are writing this letter. Now what is next step? So next request, when you just wrote down, or when you just write down, okay, when you just give your reason. And now what is the next step? So next step, you have to make a request. So what have you done earlier? You just mentioned the reason. So this is the reason, this is the importance. So what you want now? You want to make a request. So what is the next step? So you have to make a request. Make a request. Now what? How will you develop this line? Hurry up. It's very simple. Okay, I'm going to give turn to. Wait. So okay, Harman. Harman, I have unmuted you, bache. Harman. Yes, hurry up.
Yes,
How will you
ma'am.
make request?
Ma'am, we will make the request as that first we will tell the what is the importance of yoga.
Okay.
Ma'am, then
It's very simple. Hurry up, hurry up.
ma'am, then we will say that. Ma'am, then we will say that. Ma'am, I request that the yoga should be introduced in our class as
Wow,
it is very much
wow,
important
wow.
during
Big
this
clap,
pandemic.
big clap. Okay, very good. I've given you something. Look, this. Wow, great. Okay, so my dear
Thank you,
students,
ma'am.
very simple. Request. When we make request, two magical words. So we can use one magical word. What's that? That you can use kindly or please. So therefore, I request you, please. Okay, therefore, please, you can write like this. So you are requested to arrange online yoga classes for us. This is how you can develop this line. It's very simple, isn't it? Okay. So what is the next step? So now, what is your moral duty? When you have introduced, when you introduce yourself, when you mention the reason, then you made a request. Now what comes after? So in the end, you always have to say thanks. Okay, why should what is, so it is your moral duty now to say thanks. Okay, so you are hopeful that your request will be considered. So how will you write? Okay, so you will have to write like this, like, so what you have to do in this point, you have to thanks for considering the request. So you are hopeful that it will be done. Okay, so that your request will be taken into the consideration. So how will you develop this line? So I shall be thankful for you. Okay, I shall be thankful to you for this. This is how you can develop this line. Now what is the next step? So you have already done body of the letter, totally done. So what is the next step? Now it's your moral duty to close. Now you have to close the letter. Okay, so what do we write in closing when we have to close the letter? So we write, that is thanking you in the end. Okay, now that is called subscription. So we need to write, okay, so yours faithfully, or now you can end your letter by writing yours faithfully, yours sincerely, or obediently. One thing, what is the common thing? Okay, the one common mistake I usually notice when I check your English PDF, whenever you write this application, okay, whenever you write application, one is common mistake. I always tell, please, whenever you are going to write yours, please listen to me very carefully. Yours. Okay, look. So here I'm going to write yours. Okay. So have you noticed something? I haven't used apostrophe s. Only simple. Yours. S is there. Okay. So s never takes an apostrophe. I hope this point is clear. Now one thing I'm going to be very strict. If again you will do this kind of mistake, I'll definitely deduct your mark. Okay. So what I want you to please not to repeat it. Clear or not clear? Okay. So yours. Now what is the next? You can write sincerely. Sincerely. Oh. So you all are very good student, but still one silly mistake you do when you just write the spelling. You just usually skip to write E. Okay. So what is the spelling? Okay, you just all please let's speak up. Okay. So S-I-N, it's very simple to learn. S-I-N, sin, okay? Then C-E-R, C-E-R, then E-L-Y. So you need to keep in mind there are two E, okay? S-I-N, sin, C-E-R-E-L-Y, sincerely, or you can write like this, obediently, O-B-E-D-I-E-N-T-L-Y. And one more, you can also write like this, faithfully. So when you write faithfully, so double L, F-A-I-T-H, F-U-double-L-Y. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so what is next? So you have to write yours faithfully, say obediently or sincerely. After that, you have to write your name, roll number, and class. Don't forget to mention these things, okay? And one more common mistake which I noticed, what you do, you write write each and everything, and then you know what you do at the end? You write your sincerely here sometimes. Sometimes you write here. Closing, you start the closing from here, okay? So what I simply indicate, I just mentioned this. It means you have to write the you have to write the closing, okay? You have to write it here. I hope it is clear to you, okay? So I'm going to give turn to now, please. So okay, Mehak, where's Mehak? So number of the students, they are sending their message in the chat box. They are telling me the spelling. That's very good. Very good. Acha, let's do one thing. Let's play a game. You all please send in the chat box spelling yours. Write yours sincerely. You just write it. Send it to me. So I'll check whether you have got it or not. It will be a fun or game. Okay? So everything will be in your mind whenever you do exam. So we'll keep in mind, yeah, this our teacher taught us something like that. So we are not going to make a mistake. So everyone, please, it's my humble request, send this in the chat box. Okay. So, okay, now I'm going to give turn to, okay, Pavni. Pavni, I have unmuted you, bacha. Pavni, do you hear me? I've unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pavni, do you hear me? Okay,
Yes,
now it's your turn. What you have to do, you have to tell how have you developed the content. Please read it out for us. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bache.
Ma'am, with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 5th D in your school. Yoga is important for all of us. It increases our immunity. It improves our mental and physical health, and also keeps us away from different types of diseases. It strengthens our muscles
Okay.
and keeps us fit.
Therefore, now we make a request.
It also gives us a smart look.
Yes.
मैम लिखा नहीं आगे.
Oh, it's all right. It's all right. You've done a remarkable job. Big clap for you. So, very good, bache. Very good. Okay. So, we have something for you. Wait. Look, what are you getting from my side? This. And one more thing. This. Good. Keep it up. Very good. Okay. Wait. Okay, what's being done? Okay. So I'm going to participant list. I'll give turn to Mehak. Mehak. So Mehak, I have unmuted you, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Now it's afternoon. Hurry up.
With due respect, I would like to say that I am the student of class 5th D of your school.
Yes.
yoga is a good exercise.
Yes.
Yoga has been increasing our immunity.
Okay.
Yoga makes our mind fresh. It also makes us healthy and fit.
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes.
please give permission for yoga online class
Okay.
and for considering the request.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
And last we will write thanking you, yours sincerely, Mehak Sifri, roll number 21.
Wow, very good, Behak. That's great. Okay, very good. But one thing, there was one mistake. So it refreshes. So when we always use simple present tense and we have a singular subject, what do? We simply add s or es with the first form. Don't forget it. We have already done subject verb agreement and we have done tense also. Okay. So please keep in mind. Okay. So you all please. Okay. You're not going to make such kind of mistakes. Okay. So what I'm going to give. Okay, Mehak, look. Big clap for you, bache. So I hope this topic is very much clear to you and you know how to make a request. So you can make a request on any topic. It's not about arranging yoga classes. You might be okay. I can give you to write an application to principal or the class teacher to arrange some extra books. Okay, extra arrange for arranging extra books in the library or something like that. Okay, so you just what you have to do, keep on doing practice. Okay, and you have to do this application in your English fair notebook. Okay, so once you will do it, I'll send one message regarding sending the PDF to me. And one more thing, students are not sending the not sending the English PDF to me of chapter number ransom of red. I'm going to check it. Okay, so what your duty is to please send your English PDFs on regular basis. Okay, what I have to do, I have to assign mark. Okay, so you are very good students, I know. Okay, you will definitely cooperate me. So what else? So anything else you want to discuss with me? Okay, so I'll give turn to you. So okay, you all please do one thing. So first you lower your hand. So you all please lower your hand. Okay, I'll give turn to you if you don't have any doubt. Okay, still okay, so I'm going to give turn to Myra. I have unmuted you, bache. Myra, you want to discuss something? You want to discuss something? Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you.
I want to ask you. What I want to ask you. I want to say, yes, what you want to share with me.
Ma'am, we will write respected ma'am or we will write respected madam?
Okay, but both are correct. What's the difference? Only difference is this is short form of madam. So ma'am is a short form of madam. You can also write madam. It's all right. Okay, but you need to be careful while you write ma'am. While you are making short form, you have to put apostrophe. M-A, then put apostrophe, then A-M. Is it clear or not clear?
Ma'am, one more thing.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can also write with respect.
Yes, you can. Bache, wait, I always admire the students who make their own lines. Those who are creative. Don't imitate or don't follow anybody else. Okay, try to use your own imaginations. You are very much creative. Okay, try to write your own lines, not to copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, bache. Very good. Okay. So next I'm going to give turn to. Okay. Wait. Kritagya, you want to say something? Yes, Kritagya. Kritagya, you want to say something, bache?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैंने आपसे पूछना था कि मैम ये हम ये लिख सकती हैं कि I am writing this letter to request you that please arrange the online yoga classes.
Okay, bache, you can start. Okay, you can write in any way with due respect or most humbly. I beg to say that, or I wish to say that. Okay, okay. What I want you to please arrange yoga classes as so you can start like this. No problem at all.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can we write this line also that the students that are at home, uh, they do not do yoga?
So students who are not, yes, you can add any line. Okay, you can add any line. What you that must be concerned to your theme. What is the theme you need to know? Yoga. So you can write any line about it. Okay. Okay, clear or not clear? That must be
ma'am.
connected to your topic.
Yes, ma'am.
But that is the thing. Okay. If you are writing about yoga classes, you are not supposed to write about something like dance or something like painting. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the thing you keep in mind. Otherwise, you can write any line. No problem, no issue at all. And you have to be very careful when you are writing. So your tense must. So you must use appropriate tense. Okay. So if you are telling the importance of yoga, you are not supposed to use simple past tense. You are talking about in present. Okay. So these are the things you keep in mind, and the things which I've just discussed with you, that how you have to write yours or sincerely spellings, and you have to keep all these things in mind. Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to give turn to Muskan. Muskan, do you want to discuss something with me?
Ma'am, I can speak.
So you want to share. You want to share. Okay, you just read out. You please read out the content.
I will say that I am a student of class 5th of your school. Yoga classes are important for our health. It refreshes our mind. It increases immunity. It makes our body strong. Yoga is fit exercise. It is very important exercise. I request please arrange yoga online classes for our health.
Wow, very good,
You
very
should
good, Muskan. Muskan, very good. Okay. So if you are talking about online yoga classes, so that means the plural subject. So you keep in mind you are not going to use it. Okay. So okay, they can help us a lot. They can this, they can give, and this is how you can write. Otherwise, it was good, fantastic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good.